Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to buy Snapchat Plus with Apple gift card. So let's get into the video. So firstly, you go to redeem your Apple gift card to your Apple ID or your Apple account. To do that, simply open up your App Store, go to your profile, hit on your top right profile, and then you'll see an option called redeem gift card or code. Simply select that. So now we're going to redeem our Apple gift card balance to your Apple ID. So to do that, so simply you can use the camera to take a photo, or you can manually enter the code of your gift card and then hit on redeem, and then done. You will transfer the balance on your Apple account. Once you're done with that, you can simply go to your Snapchat. Just open up your Snapchat. Okay, so once you have opened up your Snapchat, so what are you going to do? You're going to simply go to your profile here on your top left. Go to your profile and then scroll, and then on your top right here you will see the gear option or the settings option. So simply click on it, and then when you click on it and scroll down, and you will see this option called Snapchat Plus. Open it up, and then now you're going to do is simply hit on subscribe, and then when you hit on subscribe you'll see the screen here. Hit on next, and then it's going to ask you to try any you can select the plan if you want, whatever the plan that you wish to. You can just select that, and then what you're going to do is simply click on start free trial, and then once your trial, if you are using it for the first time, you'll have a 7 days trial. If not, then what happens is that your payment will be charged through your Apple ID. So since you have already redeemed your Apple ID from your gift card, so you'll be able to use your gift card balance from your gift card to purchase the Snapchat Plus through your Apple ID. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.